Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. My name is Nazrin Adin Mirazali. For operation system, the AISB Corporation uses a product-oriented structure known as straight flow process, which consists of 4 elements: incoming process, sub-process, outgoing process, and final process. Incoming process is the method used to validate the quality of provided components in the AISB Corporation. This procedure determines if the components are in excellent condition. If the items are broken or defective, the company will return them to the supplier. Moreover, the items that pass the quality check in the incoming process will be moved into sub-process phase. Sub-processing is the action that divides workstations into certain categories of products that will be merged into one piece and operate together at the same time. For example, components related to the manufacture of a car engine such as battery clamps, stamping part, thermostat pipe, and manifold will not be combined with gearbox related, interior related, etc. Furthermore, for the outgoing process or logistics, the finished products from sub-process will be stored before to the final process. AISB keeps a specific number of items on hand to fulfill customer demand. The products are safely stored in warehouses that are in good shape and well organized. Finally, during the final procedure, AISB tends to raise awareness and create a market for the products. Product branding and quality levels are formed when intellectual property protection such as patents and trademarks are established as a result of market competition.
Hi, my name is Azria Zahar binti Ismail, matrix number 2019647664, and I will tell you about the 2 aspects of the company operations management. AISB is a company under Toyota Motor Corporation, and for the operation system, they use a system that have provided by Toyota, which called Toyota Production System (TPS). Therefore, they manage to maintain the quality of productivity in their company by follow the standard operation that have been set up by Toyota company. The workforce in AISB is to manage the company's demand in productivity per day by following the macro and micro terms of the company. In macro terms, they have the 5 years plan, yearly plan, and monthly plan, as well as the weekly and daily plan. They come out with the 4M studies, which is man, method, material, machine, which is related to the volumes that they had planned. Based on the planning, it is seen that they have planning for short term, mid term, and long term for their workers. This is all in order to adapt with the use of 4.0 era, which consists of less manpower used. In AISB, they have a safety and health department, which work to make sure their workers' safety. This department will monitor everything from entering the gate until workers' hygiene. They will also monitor perimeter of their company to make sure everything runs smoothly. SNH department will monitor their workers' health, and due to the pandemic era, SNH will monitor the use of PPE application on their workers and the application of hand sanitizer and disinfectant to make sure their operation is free from any virus. The department will also need to prepare a report in the case of monthly accident and safety to their headquarters. Their HQ will also need to submit to the Government Human Resource Department to ensure that AISB's workers are in maximum safety guarantee. I will pass on for this topic towards Wan Afiq.
Hi, my name is Wan Afiq Aiman bin Wan Azhan. I will cover product quality for aspect of company operation management. But first, I would like to say thanks to Mr. Azri for his explanation for the first aspect for company operation management. Now, let's move to my part of this assignment, which is the product quality of automotive industry senior brand, also known as AISB. First of all, how did they maintain and improve their product quality? Like other company, the way of maintaining and improving their quality. Of course, by set a target for every department in the company, and each of the employees are required to do their best to achieve the target that have been set by the company. And of course, target alone is not enough for their company to maintain and improve their quality. So, what is the next thing that they have in their company to make sure they're able to give 110% of the best quality product to their customer? Automotive industry syndrome Berhad have one specific department called Customer Service Index Department, also known as CSI Department. By the word of customer, of course, we all know that this department have been established by the company to monitor satisfaction of their customer with the product that been created by this company. CSI department not just monitor the quality of their product on their customer hand, but they also will monitor deep inside the customer satisfaction with their delivery and customer service. It is the great step they took to make sure the customer receive the best quality and service from AISB. To make sure this company can always improve their quality, CSI department are required to prepare a yearly report based on data they receive from the customer. Next, we used to know that a lot of companies in this world use benchmark to make sure they are able to maintain the quality of their product. But not like AISB. In AISB, they don't have specific benchmark. But to make sure their customer happy with their product, they will have an agreement with their customer of how do they want AISB to make their product. This is because AISB product is not a universal product. They have to be specific and standard that they have to create to make sure their product can fit into their customer vehicle. And that is how AISB maintain and improve their product quality. That is it from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Idham Birusdi and I'm from class BA 1145B. Right now, I will talk about the recommendation to improve the company operation management for automotive industry SDN Berhad. The automobile sector, as we all know, is unrivaled in terms of world-class quality control throughout its entire supply chain. They are very serious about the quality of their products at automotive industry SDN Berhad. They have their own methods for maintaining their product and quality management, such as using 4M studies, which aids in the advancement of their technologies and product quality. Here are the recommendations on how they can do to strengthen their quality management. The recommendation is they can create a culture of quality inside the company. This step is very important even if it seems like a small issue. This is so because to strengthen the quality management of their company, they need to start by improving the atmosphere and condition in their workplace. For an example, quality departments and top management in the company should instead develop a culture in which all suggestions for improvement, no matter how minor, are welcome and appreciated. This will not only inspire employees to make suggestions, but it will also result in better manufacturing and quality as a result of the proposals. That's all from me for this part. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Abu Amar bin Muhammad Adid. I am from BA 1145B. I would like to continue my recommendation for the AISB company based on the topic that I choose from learning that I learned. First of all, based on facility layout, the recommendation that can be related to AISB company to improve more is employee engagement. By achieving employee engagement, the employees need to promote an open culture of communication. However, employee communication is an important element for building effective working relationships. For example, ensuring managers serve as coaches, developing good communication practices, and motivating workers to express their thoughts and concerns are all parts of creating a robust feedback. Another recommendation that I preferred for improving the AISB company is transform feedback into useful information, sharing results, and demonstrate to employees that their input is appreciated and that their suggestions have an impact on decision making. As a result, open communication is reinforced and employees are encouraged to speak up even more. For example, the leader in AISB should take every opinion from every employee and make it as a list of improvement for the AISB company and decide which opinion is the better. These results make the employees are more likely to feel dedicated to their jobs, be more productive, and eager to achieve when they sense their opinions matter.
To conclude, AISB has an operation system that improves the efficiency of the company, which called straight flow process. In addition, the flow system created healthy working culture among the employees, and every precaution and safety has accounted in the priority. Moreover, AISB has forecasted its prospects, which are short-term, mid-term, and long-term plan for the well-being of the employees and productivity purposes. Other than that, safety and health department plays the big role in every working environment quality, because employees' well-being is crucial for AISB's efficiency. That is all from us. Thank you and have a good evening.